Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete text in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and open the file that you would like to edit. Then next at the top corner of your screen, click on the edit button and that initiated the action and enables editing in this file. To delete the text, just click on the text section of your file. You can highlight the text you would like to delete, and you can simply click on the backspace button on your keyboard. And just by that, you have now removed a specific letter or text on your file. But just a reminder that this feature or the edit feature in Adobe Acrobat in general is only available on the Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription. But you can still enjoy the feature for free for 7 days. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!